In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of ChatGPT, focusing on accessing its sidebar features. Let's dive right in and take this step by step for a fluid and intuitive experience. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to ChatGPT's website. If you already have an account, log in using your existing credentials. If not, take a moment to set up an account to begin accessing ChatGPT's robust features. Having an active account is crucial because it grants you full access to the platform's interface and functionalities. Once logged in, your attention should shift to your screen's left side. On a desktop, look for a small at or a hamburger menu icon represented by three stacked lines. This icon might be easy to overlook, but it is your key to expanding the sidebar. Clicking it will unveil a range of options and settings that can significantly enhance your use of ChatGPT. For those of you using mobile devices, the layout is slightly different. You'll either swipe right starting from the left edge of your screen or tap the menu button to reveal the sidebar. It's optimized for smaller screens, so the actions are quick and allow for easy one-handed navigation. Now, if you encounter any issues with these features not displaying correctly, a quick refresh might resolve them. Simply pressing Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on a Mac will refresh the ChatGPT page. This action generally resolves minor glitches and reloads any missing elements. Continuing on, if refreshing doesn't seem to do the trick, logging out and logging back into your account could help. This ensures that any session-specific issues get resolved. You might also close the browser completely and reopen it before navigating back to ChatGPT to ensure a fresh start. Should problems persist, especially if the sidebar seems unresponsive, clearing your browser cache and cookies might be necessary. Cached files, while useful, sometimes cause conflicts with updated web pages. To clear them in Google Chrome, head to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear the cache and cookies from your browser history. After clearing your cache, restart the browser and log into ChatGPT once more. This often restores the sidebar's functionality, allowing you the smooth experience ChatGPT is known for. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to navigating ChatGPT's sidebar on both desktop and mobile, as well as troubleshooting common connectivity issues. By following these steps, you'll be ready to explore everything ChatGPT has to offer with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.